about 2 hours after an L4/5 lumbar decompression and stabilization, and you had a foot drop on the left side. And can I just see you now? Just pull your toes up. That's good. And then that one. That's brilliant. Yeah.
Really move it. And just the toes, yeah.
The toes, yeah, good. And then let's see you have a little walk. Yeah, but you're doing a lot better with that one. Excellent. Any pain in your back at the moment?
Oh, it aches, but it's
Bit of an ache. Any pain down your legs?
No.
No. And posture-wise?
Fine, you know. I mean, I'm managing the ache, but my posture is totally
Good.
fine.
Straight. Perfect. All went very well.